Hey guys, what's up? So we didn't make it as far on the body work as we were hoping to this week to be able to get the body painted. So we're gonna bring you some cool little things that are simple to do to make cheap wheels and tires really pop. We're getting rid of these center caps. The tabs are broken, they look ugly, they're junk. We're going to scuff the surface of the wheel all around and every area we can get to get off all the chips of paint with a pretty coarse Scotch-Brite just to clean up the wheel and make sure that our new finish is going to stick. I'm going to begin taping up the wheel, and I'm going to tear off about 6 inches of tape each time and go all the way around the wheel with a little bit of tape at a time, because it's a lot easier to line up the edge of the tape with where I need it to be with a little bit of tape rather than one piece and trying to line it up all the way around. Now that I got the tire covered with paper, I'm going to clean up all the dust and dirt and sanding debris with some pre-painting prep and some lint-free shop towels. Now that the wheel's dry from the pre-painting prep, I'm going to be painting these wheels with a satin Rust-Oleum rattle can 2-in-1 paint and primer, and I'm going to put 3 coats on with 8 minutes rest in between. Light coats, easy, not too close, just kind of dusting the paint on to be careful I don't get any runs or drips. I let the paint cure for about an hour so it's fully dry. And now I'm going to work out all the imperfections with a coarse Scotch-Brite. And I'm going to work them out all in the same direction so it'll give that metal lip a nice brushed aluminum finish. These are our new center caps we're going to use. We're going to use these to fit in the center bore instead of covering the entire lug nut area. That way it'll give it the illusion that the rims were designed this way instead of making them look like they're missing a center. Alright guys, so we got this one done. My camera died right before I got to clean the sidewall and white letter these tires here. And what we used was just a white paint marker. Just carefully picked what letters we wanted to use and outline them. But I think that this looks incredible. Looks a million times better than they did before. So I hope you guys like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.